Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about different data types in JavaScript. So we have five data types in JavaScript, which are a string, numbers, boolean, null, and undefined. So let's create different variables where a is equal to, so the first one we will discuss string. So welcome to JavaScript. Now we will create a second number. For example, b is equal to 5. We will create a third variable c is equal to true, which is a boolean, so it will be either false or true. And let's create a variable d is equal to null, and let's create another one variable e, and we will not assign any value to it so that it is undefined. Now let's console.log everyone. So console.log a. Now console.log b. Now console.log c. Console.log d, and console.log e. So here, if we refresh the page, you can see welcome to JavaScript. This one a string, 5, b, this one a number, variable c is a boolean, true, d is null, so it has no values, and we assign nothing here, so it is undefined, and we see this for from here. So if we comment this out or remove it from here, so we cannot see it here. Okay, now if we write console.log and type of, which is a function which will tell us the type of the variable. So if we type here, we say it's a string. So you see here string. If we write here b, so it will be a number. And now, and this way you can verify it. So now in this video we learned about different types in JavaScript. There are 5 types in JavaScript: strings, numbers, boolean, nulls, of which we have not assigned any values, but it is a null, and undefined, which is undefined, so we even don't assign a null value to it. Now let's create a better example than this one. So if I remove all of these, so if we create a variable name, for example, my name is Khan, we create another variable age. So for example, my age is 20, and let's create another variable am I a student. So for example, I will say false this time. Now for null value, do I have a cat? So for example, pets, do I have pets? So for example, I will assign null here so that I don't have any pets at the moment. And for example, We will create another variable. What are my hobbies, for example? So we will not assign anything to it. So hobbies not defined. So for example, if we write console.log, so we will write name here, and if we refresh it, you can see Khan. So I'll just quickly duplicate it. Console.log age, console.log student, and console.log fit, console.log hobby. So now if I refresh my browser, you can see my name is Khan, age is 20. Here the student is false. I have no pets. For example, it's null, and I haven't defined my hobbies, so it's undefined. Now we can concatenate it with the values. So for example, here I will write name here, and in order to it to work, it will give us an error. Let's see it in the browser, and you see it, we have an error in the browser. So in order to concatenate a string with a variable, we use a plus sign, and now if we refresh it, we will see name is equal to Khan. We can do the similar thing with others. For example, age plus, we can do it with the student. So student status, and here we can see pet. So which pets do I have? And same thing for hobbies. Now if I refresh it, you can see the name is Khan, age 20, student false, pets null, hobby is undefined. So that's how you can create different data types and concatenate different data types with strings and show it a bit properly. So that's it for this video now. Thank you, bye, and see you in the next. So that's it for this video now. Thank you, bye, and see you in the next video.